Happy St. Patrick, everyone. Welcome back on this lovely Friday. Good to see you, Lita. Everybody on social media, everyone here. Ryan, Michael, good to see you all. Good. Just want to see everyone here is loud and clear. Get started. All right, perfect. All right, everybody. Well, listen, what a crazy day we had yesterday. Oh, my God. Talking about the bank stocks. Listen, this is what you learn when it comes to trading. You have to know that you saw some big rallies, and all of a sudden things went reverse on us. We're going to talk a little bit about that, especially look at the stock HCBC. What a great runner yesterday. We were watching this stock yesterday. It's moving again this morning. It started roughly around $2, the new IPO. And look at this thing. It went all the way into the close, into the after hours to 250. Wasn't a huge winner, but it's gapped up pretty big right now. So looking at it, it's already at 320, breaking off all-time highs. I'm really excited about this one. We're going to talk a little bit about that. And we're going to definitely check out, we'll see what's going on with level 4 on that one. So anyway, just get my pen here all set up and get ready to lock and load. So let's go over a couple of stocks that moved yesterday. Then we'll talk about what's moving this morning. First of all, let's talk about all these stocks from yesterday. So Wall, look at this run up on this stock. This was unbelievable. It started right around, you know what it is? Yesterday, pre-market, if you were here, you know, it wasn't a really good morning, right? We were listening, we were watching. Wasn't that much going on. Like, I didn't think it was a good day. But all of a sudden, when we got around 10:30, and all these bank stocks, obviously news came out on them. They all made big runs. Wall went from literally $27 to $42. Look at that long-term chart right there. But look at it now. It's starting to come back down. Listen, don't try to hold a falling knife, but you could definitely do some nice bottom fishing on these stocks. But remember what I told you, don't sit there and think you're going to make it all back. Just try to make your money and move on. But all of them were across the board. Wall, Key, also big runner up, $10 to $12. PACW, look at this stock, $8, right? $8.50 up to $14. This one was a different stock, obviously. It was another dead cat bounce. But FRC, my God, this thing ran from 20 to 37. I mean, it wasn't one, it wasn't two, it was several of them. They all moved. But we're getting the 9 o'clock program trading. It's kicking right now. But anyway, they're all coming down pretty hard, especially FRC, really taking a big hit. CS, I mean, this thing had a little bit of a bounce, not showing any type of life in there. But they're all going to go back on the watch list. And I want to keep a close eye on them. Just remember what we taught you in class, okay? For all you traders in there that are here that we've trained. And if you're watching on social media, you're more than welcome to come and join us whenever you want. I'll put a QR code. Just click on that link right there. You can do a one-day trial right into one of our trading rooms. You're more than welcome to. But getting back to what's moving this morning, just be very careful these bank stocks. I did an event yesterday, and there was somebody in there, and I feel so bad for some of these people. He said he lost like $1,300 in the stock trading one of these stocks. Listen, if you don't, I know they're very attractive. Everybody's talking about them, but unless you were trained like and this is all for the people on social media and not you in a trading room, you know this. Unless you would train, you won't know how to really trade the stock. And if you do, and if you do want to try them out, just don't trade a lot of shares of it. They are extremely volatile. All right. But they're all going back on the watch list. Every single one of them, FRC, Key, Wall, PACW, all of them. All right. You notice that the stock still has not opened up, SIVW. Oh, tell you, remember, just because it looks like it's at 100, it's funny because people think like, is that stock at 100? No, it's not. It's stock's got shut down. What was that low on that one? It was like, it was like 37 or something like that, right? Yeah, right there. That was the low. Something like that. Yeah, like 37, I think I remember. Anyway, I'm still waiting for that stock to open up. Let's hop over here on the big gainers list. Let's go through our nice little crystal ball that we use to find some stocks that are moving. So you could see that the HUBC is the second biggest percentage gainer. Beautiful moving stock, nice price levels. By the way, today, everybody, I just want to let everybody know I am going to be on NASDAQ and I'm going to be on Ask the Pros. So I'm going to be talking. I'm going to be talking a lot about NASDAQ Book Viewer. So if everyone knows how to go through Traders Talk on Twitter, it's going to be live on Twitter. I'm going to be on at 1:30, and then going to be on Traders Talk. We'll put the link in the trade room if you guys want to come and join us. But this is basically what we're looking at, and I want to show you this because sometimes when we look at NASDAQ, we look at the level 4. Sometimes this, because I'm going to be on here, I want to spend a little more time talking about it. But look at this thing right here: 25,000 shares at 320, 25,000, 38,000, 40,000. Right around that price level. And if you go over here, you could see it right there. Those resistance levels are those big iceberg orders. So it's really, really going to be interesting to see that how it's going to open up and see how those orders, if they can get affected, if it's going to break out. But if those guys get done, because if you add it up, 40, 38, 25, you're talking almost 120,000. This ain't pocket change, fellow traders. That is some serious dough right there. And we definitely want to keep an eye on that. But that is a big iceberg order out there. What stock just popped over here? Oh, this one just came out of nowhere. I don't know if you guys just saw it. Program trading just kicked in 9 o'clock on this stock right here. This is why we like to start right at 9 a.m. LSDI. Let me bring up and see what's going on with this one. LSDI. All right, not a lot of orders on NASDAQ. You got a 6,000 share seller right here. Not too much on the pre-market, but it's kind of even on both sides. So it's basically it's just starting to trade now, starting to catch up. But that thing is moving up really, really nice right there. LSDI, nice little trend right there. All right, anything else out there? PXMI, another nice little moving stock, nice price levels, nice trend. Do I see anything on NASDAQ? See who's trading on the exchange. Not that many orders out there. You could see here, not that much out there. A lot of hundreds, and you can kind of see that's why it's not really going anywhere right now. But it looks like it had a really good pop around 7 a.m. 18%, 2.8 million shares. Not terrible, but it is Friday too, and it is St. Patrick's Day. So hopefully everybody's wearing their green. All right. What else is out there on the big percent? Oh, that was another big stock that's moving too. All the blockchain stocks are moving. I'm a big fan of blockchain. I know some of the biggest banks also like blockchain. It's been doing pretty well. Blockchain took a very big hit. These things were down to 3, had some really big support levels here around 560. We're already at 820. All the blockchains are doing pretty well. So you got Mara. Put that one up there. We'll check over here and see what's going on orders. Yeah, we got a couple of here. 4,000s, got 17 short orders out here around 850. That kind of explains why that resistance level is right there around 8 a.m. So you got some pretty big orders. You know what it is? Remember, pre-market, you don't always get a lot of pre-market orders on certain stocks. But when the market opens up, you'll see it a lot more. But Mara, definitely, and Riot is the other one, right? I think there's 2 of them. Was it RIET? Is that right? No. Was that what was the other one? All right. Was it Riot? It's right. It's RIOT. Yeah, that's it. So Riot's also moving pretty well too. Pretty funny how they almost side by side. I was always a fan of Mara, but Riot looks like Riot's a little bit easier, trades a little bit slower too. So all those blockchains doing pretty well, and obviously you can see what's going on with Bitcoin's doing great. Also, Coin's probably doing well too. I believe Coin also had a nice little push too. Oh, it's got $71. Look at that! My God, Coin was all the way down to $32. Nice little double on that one too since January. Went all the way up to here to about 70, 87. It came right. This stock is so volatile. Be very careful of trading Coinbase. But Coin, if you're a category 4 trader, you can put this on your watch list. So Coin looks pretty good. Losers, we know what's going to be on the losers list. Basically all the bank stocks are in there. So the other ones are all garbage. New York Stock Exchange, it's looking like it gapped up pretty high, but it's on its way down. FedEx, wow. FedEx probably doing pretty well. Look at that. FedEx almost a double since October, but too expensive. We're not going to trade that stock. BBAI, the stock took a big hit on first day up 9%. I like this stock. Cheap. Took a big hit, making a little bit of a comeback. I think that could be a pretty decent. KOLD, look at that one. That means Boyle's probably going down. Where's Boyle at right now? My God. Boyle just keeps coming down. 490. I'll tell you, I took a really good loss on Boyle. I was a big fan of Boyle. And if you guys follow any of the gas stocks, basically, we've been having a very mild winter. So no one's really spending money much on gas as much. That's why Boyle's been taking a hit. But KOLD is the opposite. So that one's obviously making a nice little comeback. That pretty much does it. We got a pretty decent list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stocks, not including all the bank stocks. All right. Anything I'm missing? I did not call out. Anybody out there? Anything I'm missing? All right, then. All right, so everyone there on YouTube, you got the link right there for the QR code if you want to join the trading room. Cyber traders, remember, if you see something, you trade something, you let everybody know. And at 12 o'clock, I'm going to be on Ask the Pros. So we'll send the link up there. And also, don't forget, I'm going to be on NASDAQ today at 1:30 talking exclusively with Jill Maranjone about the book viewers. So you don't want to miss that. And if you want to know how to get there, just go right on the Twitter page. All right. Just go on Twitter and look up Trade Talk. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe. And if I don't see you, have a great weekend. And once again, St. Patrick's Day to everyone. Good luck.